So now we need to go to our Unit 8 data folder, and it says to open a few of those images that you would like to work with from that folder. We have an astronaut, we have a bison, we have boats, a butterfly, a cat, a cheetah, a deer, a desert, that's the background, an eagle, the earth, fox, a gull, a manatee, a pony, a rhino, and two different zebras. All right, the lesson itself calls for us to use the bison. Hold your control key down while you select also the butterfly and the earth. So we're going to open those three images. Notice how each of them opens at the top. So now that we have each of those images open, we are going to go ahead and save one more time because there's a second part to this. So let's click on Save As. Navigate to our Unit 8 student folder. And we're going to save over our original project. And then the lesson asks us to crop the images without using the crop tool. Basically, what that means is we are going to be using the rectangle select tool and the ellipse select tool. And then we will be copying and pasting our selected images onto our page here. So first, let's start with the earth. We're going to use our ellipse select tool, and we are going to line the little circle up with the outer edge of the earth, and then click and drag to make a circle. And then you can just keep clicking the arrows or the boxes on the end to make sure that we have just the earth selected and nothing else. And now we can click inside, and that selects just the earth. And now we can say Control C to copy, move over to our image on at the top, the blank image, and press Control plus V, and you'll see that we only have the earth. Okay. You can use the move tool to move the earth wherever you would like it to be. And then we're going to go with the butterfly. And the best tool for this would probably be the rectangle select tool. We just need to make sure we use at least one circle, which we did. We're going to go ahead and select a rectangular part of this image, including just the butterfly. And again, we can grab the little boxes on the corners to where we adjust it to fit just the butterfly and not much of the background. And once we have it selected, once again, click in the center. That selects the portion we have selected, and we will press Control C to copy, move over to the image page, and press Control V to paste. Did I not copy? Hold on. Control C and Control V. There it is. And again, you can use your move tool to move the image. And finally, we have the bison. Now with the bison, I'm just going to select just his head and antlers and not the rest of his body. In fact, we can use the free select tool and trace it. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the free select tool and just trace along the outside of this bison's head so I don't get anything but his head. When I get back around to the other end, I double click to form the selection, and I press inside the image, press Control C to select, to copy, move back to the collage, and press Control V. Wait, it didn't work. Okay. We're going to undo that, and we're just going to use the rectangle select tool. I'm going to undo free select and then use the rectangle select tool once again. Free select is not working, so we're just going to grab just the bison's head here. And again, we're going to just line it up till we just have his head. And I lost it. Okay. All right. And then so click in the center of the selection to form a selection, then press Control C, move back to this page, press Control V, and then use the move tool to move the image. And now we're going to save. So click File, Save As, and we're going to save over our original project and click Replace. That's